my own world of make-believe. Kids scream.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Paula and I'm back with another eye makeup tutorial, today in English. And I'm gonna start off by using the primer. This is not a primer, this is a concealer, Revolution Pro in C1. And I'm using this as a primer for my eyes. And now I'm using the stickers. Today I'm using the star stickers and putting them on. So here I'm using the new Beauty Glaze color board palette, and the first eyeshadow I'm gonna use is the red one. I figure out that the red eyeshadow is more on the orangey side, but it's working. And because a lot of you ask me which brushes I'm using for the detailed eye looks, here I'm using a tiny brush from an unknown brand that I discovered on AliExpress called Savina. The brushes are really soft and you can do a lot with them, a lot of detailed work. And yeah, I recommend you to check the brushes out. If you're looking for new non-expensive brushes, these brushes are worth it.
Make-believe. Kids.
As a second eyeshadow I was using the yellow, and now I'm using the green one and putting another star on my eye, and we're doing exactly the same on the side, the red, the yellow, and then the blue eyeshadow.
Everything. Fire spreading up.
What I can tell you about the pigmentation is that I really like it. I will upload more videos by using this palette, so I will also let you know there if the pigmentation is good. Here I'm adding the darkest blue eyeshadow from this board and adding it to the edges to create a smooth surface. Here I'm finally taking the stickers off and working on the details with the darkest shade. And now for the next step I used makeup remover to clean the parts out, and then I used the Catrice waterproof concealer in ivory to sharp the edges out. Here I'm using the Essence Fixing Powder, and the step is very important because we don't want the concealer to get all over the eyeshadows and crease and mess up the edges where we draw the stars on. And I said I was using the waterproof concealer from Catrice, but it's better to cover up the part with translucent powder so everything can be pretty clean. So now I'm going in with concealer, the same concealer I was using before. And now I'm putting the yellow eyeshadows as a first, and then the pink eyeshadow, the purple eyeshadow as a second eyeshadow, and then I'm using the pink between yellow and purple. Here I'm adding the same concealer I was using before and creating a liner and using exactly the same eyeshadows. Here I'm using a glitter, I don't know the name brand, but I will put this in the description box so you can check this out. And I'm not using a glue, but it's a gel, a primer gel from an unknown brand, but it's a German brand, Alverde. So you can check this out, but you can use also what you want to put the glitter on. I also added the rhinestones in the middle of the stars, and so that pretty much completes this look. I thank you so much for watching this tutorial. My English is not perfect, but I hope you understood me and learned something new. I'm not a pro anyway, but I love makeup, that's my little hobby. And hopefully I will see you in my next tutorial. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also check out my Instagram out if you want. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye, queens.
It's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, alone the darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation.